Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will explain why a box may appear around your text in Canva, and I will show a few ways to remove the outline. Okay, so let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. Okay, so maybe how you have the particular presentation or some existing design, or some design you maybe import from other source, because in Canva there is no any option to put outline around the text. You can see that though there is no any option to put outline around the text, maybe in your presentation they insert like the shape like rectangle shapes like this. Okay, like this, and they remove the background and make the outline line this like this. Okay, so this is your text, and we have the two element text and that box. Or when you group it, like select all two elements and group it, so you can simply remove the both like this. Okay, so do you have, if you have any text box like this in Canva presentation, you can simply you can remove the outline. So there is a two method. First method, select that elements and just go to the stock line and just remove it like this. Okay, or simply just select that element, ungroup it first, then keep your text at the side and select that box or rectangle shape and delete it. So there is a two method you can follow to remove the outline of your text. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.